fish, big fish. Big. Okay, so I gotta push this boat back a bit and angle it. Oh shit. Okay, so it started raining. I didn't realize there was that much water in the boat. But this is a good thing. That way all the water can come forward, and then just gotta get this plug. There we go. This is a good thing. This is just from the rain. I went to try to get a, you know what, it's not important. All right, time to launch off. Trailer's good, boat's set. Let's just go ahead and start making this happen. I'm really excited. I don't know how deep this is. I really don't know anything about this pond. Okay. All right. I do know what I'm gonna start throwing first though. I got it all set right here. I got the braid for some top water towards the end of the day, but for now, it's gonna be fluorocarbon strong. I'm out in the water. This is it. I'm finally gonna be able to fish those. That actually, I lost tungsten over there, tungsten weight, so I'm gonna go get it in a second. But anyways, gonna make a good video. All right, so I got 20-pound fluorocarbon on my little flipping rod. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna put the electronics on in a second, but this is what I want to do first. All of this right here. Favorite color right here. Bandito Bug Natural. Y'all ever get a Bandito Bug pack? Get the Bandito Bug Natural. You have the dark pumpkin green on the back and then the silver on the front. So it works in stained water or clear water. But if you are gonna go get that pack, all I ask is leave one for me. They're under this spot. There's one. Feisty little guys. Yeah, they're really warm. This water's pretty warm right now. One little bass. Not too bad. This is a little bit better. Still. Ooh, that one's pretty close to the eye. Maybe I can hit it out. Hold on. Let me get situated. Alright, good. Saved his eye. This one's a little bit bigger. I think this was a spotted bass. Maybe, I don't know. Anyways, there's number 2. Oh, gotta go back. Good fish. Good fish. Big fish. Big fish. Whoa.
Swirl.
There he goes. There he goes. Big fish. Oh my God. There it is. 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 Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh man. There it is. There it is. There it is. I don't know where he's hooked at. Oh, good for the mouth. Whoa, get in the boat. Get in the boat. Oh my God. Look at this thing. This is a hog. This is such a hog. Right in the roof of the mouth. He wasn't going anywhere. Oh crap, man. Yes, this is what I needed. Happy Father's Day to me. Oh my God. Hold on. Oh, his teeth are sharp. They hurt. Okay. Look at this beautiful thing. Oh my God. She knows she's been caught. She knows it. Trying to get the scale. Oh, no. Hook up hands. Okay, good. Quick fix. Time to get the scale and make this happen. There we go. Okay. Real quick. Dang. I thought she was bigger than that. Yeah, I thought she was way bigger than that. 314, almost a 4-pound bass. 2 ounces away from a 4-pounder. No, wait, 3/8. Yeah. Okay. This is her. Her tail's all messed up from the spawn. This is such an awesome bass. I needed this so badly. Okay, I'm getting too close to this edge, so let me go to the front real quick, let her go, and then try to catch some more. I know there's a bigger one. There's gotta be the 5-pounder here. This one hasn't been caught before. She's 3. Thank you so much. Okay, let's get a quick release on this. There she goes. Whoa. Hold up. Hold up. I thought she was gonna take off. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Nope, she's gone. Okay. That worried me for a second. I think she's completely spawned out. That might have been that 5-pounder. I mean, she was 2 ounces away from being a 14-pound, and she was really thinned out. So if you think about it, you know, pre-spawn, spawn, that's probably about a good almost 5-pound bass, if not 5. but she was completely thinned out. So that definitely would have been on the scale PB of mine. But I've caught in 3 pounds before. There we go. There we go. Oh, he came off. Well, hell. That sucks. Oh, God. No, we lost another one. Lost another one. Son of a blank. That was a good size too. That was probably about a 2-pounder. That made my rod do funny things. Made my rod do funny things. Golly. I think I shirt on that one. Oh, don't steal that idea. That's mine. Alright, so to the point of how I got here. So I've been fishing, bank fishing this pond for a while. I didn't know if it was public or private or what. I just knew that it was just a pretty good spot. And it turns out that I called the game warden. A lot of places that I want to launch the boat at, I always call game warden. I don't want to deal with a ticket or with cops or anything like that. I don't want to deal with it. I'd rather just enjoy fishing, make a video for y'all, and then go home and eat a good dinner. But just to be on the safe side with things, what I did, oh God, took it. It's getting interrupted a lot. Alright, so as I was saying, I don't want to get in trouble with cops or game wardens. I don't want to get my stuff taken or get a ticket. So anytime I want to launch a boat somewhere, or if I'm questionable about a fishing spot, golly, there's a lot here, right here on this log, this tree. Anytime I'm questioning about something that I'm just not sure of, I go ahead and call. I got a warden's number on speed dial. Yep, you heard that right. And I went ahead and gave him a call. He's one of the Brazos County game wardens, and I was like, hey, here's this pond at this address. I need to know, is it public? Can I launch a boat on here? Well, what's the situation on it? And he did a little research on it, and he's familiar with it. He just didn't know it off the top of his head exactly what I was talking about. But he said it's actually private. This is a private pond, but the owners usually don't mind when somebody bank fishes. There's no sign or gate or anything like that says otherwise. So he said he gave me this website, and it basically shows every piece of property that's in the Brazos County area and who owns it and the number that it's attached to, or whatever, however that works. So I checked, and it took me a while. It took me a while to find out who this person was, because it only showed the company name, and I had to call a couple of numbers to really find out. And the gentleman hit me back up, and long story short, he said that this is actually private. He doesn't really mind anybody fishing it, but as far as like launching the boat, stuff like that, he has to pull up this basically a waiver stating that he's not responsible for any deaths or injuries that may occur, yada yada, that stuff. And the reason he has to put that out is because there's a bunch of huge snakes here. A lot of snakes, a lot of spiders that, if they bite you, you need to get a hospital quick. And as y'all can see, that's most likely the truth. And I have seen big snakes here that he is not lying about. I almost stepped on one not too long ago. But anyways, so we signed the paperwork. I faxed it back to him, or emailed to him. He emailed back his signed part of it, and after that, I had permission to fish this pond with my boat. It states on there that I have till December to fish this. That's how long legally that waiver is signed for. And I can also bring out somebody with me. They fall under the same thing as long as they're in my boat. Ooh, sorry. As long as they're in my boat. Oh, he is messed up. Something got him good. Someone tore him up. Stay still. These little guys are feisty. Super feisty. Yeah, he's all torn up on his gills. Yikes. He is a fighter for sure. That's all messed up. Set him back. Where was I at? Oh, I can bring somebody else out here. So, if they get hurt, he's not liable for any deaths or damages to any property or person, which is smart. So why A&M? Is it just because it's closer to home?
Yeah, that's what it was. I mean, there's a lot of. At first, like when I first started getting off, I was just like, I'm trying to go as far as I can, as far as possible.
Right.
And that time came, I was just like, shit. I ain't trying to go too damn far. I'm trying to have some home cooked meals.
Right. When you're 15, you can just take on the world, but once you about right
you
there,
start getting the crunch time, and you out there by yourself, you start
getting homesick. So how are they conditioning y'all, like with everything happening? Because I know y'all, I mean, you say like it's like a job, so y'all, imagine y'all work out and train throughout the whole year, whether it's hot, cold, or whatever.
Right now, all they can do is send us the workout.
So it's up to you if you want to keep staying fit. I got you.
When it comes time, they coming out the gate as soon as we get back here. For the same workout and stuff like that.
Be a lot of people puking their guts up. Well, hell, at least you had a plan. After high school, like 2 weeks after I graduated, I got shipped off to basic. Decided to join the Army. That was fun for a little bit. Yeah. They don't tell you everything. They just make it nice and sweet whenever you first sign up. Like, are you about to get a lot of money? It's gonna be a lot of girls. Like, you be single, away from home, away from mom and dad telling you what to do. Like, yeah, but then when you get there, now you have a whole bunch of parents just telling you what to do. Yeah, you got your sergeants and your specialists and your staff. See?
The little OGs.
Yeah, you got. It started off with just your 1 or 2 parents, and now you got 50 of them. So like I now with contracts, like I don't just say yes to nothing. Not bad. Sure you don't mind being on my channel for this one?
Use me as
No, I'm not popular or anything like that.
That's what they would. That's the rule they would treat.
I gotcha. Nah, nothing like that. It just basically a special guest. It's just close as we can.
I can put your number on here, huh?
Nah, it's just my channel.
Get your number, man.
There you go, boss. Alright, so you take care of yourself, bud. Alright, y'all, so that's pretty much it for today. I had the pleasure of bumping into Derrick Tucker. The guy, awesome dude. I didn't realize that he plays for A&M football, so that was pretty awesome. Never actually hung out with any college football players or anything like that, or even have potential to go pro, but this dude is wicked cool. Definitely wouldn't mind fishing with him again, but we'll see how that plays out. He's really busy. I imagine he's on a really tight schedule, but he makes time to go fish this pond every so often. He lives pretty close, so that's how he was able to make it happen. Anyways, Tug man, I appreciate you. I'll hit you up sometime. We can try to fish this pond again, or if I get a better boat soon, then we'll go out to like a bigger lake. We'll really catch some big ones. Promise you that. All right, everybody else, this was awesome. This was fun. I hope y'all enjoyed it. That was a great catch that I had. Big fish. But I'm gonna be coming out here again. I might wait a little bit. I'm not sure yet. I got a couple other videos that I want to upload after this one. But nonetheless, this is definitely one for the day. And for it being Father's Day too, awesome. Oh shit, that's what I forgot. Tug, dude. Happy Father's Day, bro. Anyways, I'm out of here. I'm hungry. I'm tired. Mostly though, I'm excited to start editing this video. Alright, yeah, I'm out.